What's up, YouTube? We got another project. Like I always say, hopefully be helpful to you. May give you some ideas on how to improve it. If you see where I could improve these things, just hit me up in the comments. We won't be offended. I'd like to share it with other people as well. I also want to say thank you for watching. Sometimes we do more than fishing. We fix stuff. You know, that's my passion. As well as, go out with the wife and do some good things. Help other people with food. And help them understand the Bible scriptures better as well. So it's a lot going on. As my neighbor going down the path with his tractor, you hear that noise in the background. He's a cattle farmer, a cattle herder. Yeah, man, he got pigs, has horses, goats, chickens. Was selling eggs. He got a meat store across the road. Very enterprising young man. Good friend as well. Good neighbor. I'm blessed to have him as a neighbor. That's a good thing, isn't it? But right now we're going to work on a box to hold all electrical wires for our winch to the boat. And it's a Badlands Winch. It saved the old shoulder. And you could look back on my previous video of me installing the winch and the reason why, because of a bad shoulder. You know how it go. You get up a certain age, man, you ain't even got to be old no more. Have a bad shoulder. Old football injury, old SWAT team injury, rappelling off a wall, all kind of things. Jumping fences, falling out of trees. Boy, we fortunate to still be here in one piece, man. For real, that's a whole video in itself. That old shoulder done held up, though. But that cranking was getting to me. So we put our electric winch on there, run by a 12-volt battery. So we built a new box because the first box was rotten because we used scrap wood. We made it kind of small, compacted everything in there so it wouldn't be so noticeable. But look at what we did this time. We made it bigger and more progressive, stronger, out of better wood. So don't hang up. Don't push pause. Let you go and get some popcorn and your favorite drink. But watch this video to the end and tell me what you think on this box I created to hold the wires to my electric winch. All right. Looking forward to you hanging in there with me, man. Don't give up on me yet. We're gonna get some fishing in. If it's God's will, we're gonna get some fishing in. All right, peace out, man. Don't go nowhere. Watch this video.
Get my boots on the ground, wait a minute. Boots on the ground, kicking up some dust. Boots on the ground, kicking up some dust.
As you can see, friends, this is the original winch box I made. But as you notice, it's breaking loose. It's rotten at the base. The water been getting in from the top. So it's time to replace it. It's small. It's hard to get my hands inside to do any adjustments. So the brackets can still be used underneath to hold it down to the trailer frame. We'll reuse that, stainless steel. But you see I got the wood cut out. It's approximately 12 by 12 by 10. And it's salt treated wood, extreme, as they call it, extreme weather, 3/4 inch. So we're gonna put it together with wood glue and coated deck screws. We have a big opening for the door to put my hand in there if I got to make any adjustments and hold the wires without them getting completely tangled up. So it's gonna be a good size box. Before I try to go with a smaller box, but that didn't work. But this is gonna be great. So you see I already put part of it together. Like I say, it's extreme type wood, plywood for outdoors. And I glued it, jointed it tight, and then I reinforced it with screws, deck screws, the coated kind that won't rust right away. So I should be able to get some good years of enjoyment out of this. And I'm gonna paint it with marine paint, topside paint. Those are the screws I'm using. They're deck screws, but again, like I said, they're coated. And we're gonna put some marine grade topside paint on there. Put a couple of coats, at least 2 coats. Then we may come over the bottom and the sides with some Flex Shield spray to give it even a more water resistant exterior. And now you can see the box has been made. I made 2 boxes, one for the trolling battery. That's another video. You can check that one out. The Minn Kota trolling battery box. Because we didn't have enough room built into the boat. The boat has room for 2 batteries, but we needed to put 3 batteries in here to give it 36 volts. And the smaller box is for my winch. You see that one right there beside it. And again, we painted it with marine grade topside paint. We're gonna put a minimum of 2 coats on it. A minimum. This is 1 coat already. When that dries, after about 48 hours, we're gonna put another coat on there. That should work. This is the brain of the winch with all the wires that's going to the winch, as well as the wires coming back to the power source of the truck. We put a latch on it, keep anybody from breaking in. There's nothing in there but wires, but just to keep it safe, in case they try to steal my winch, they're gonna have to work for it. You can see this winch here. Yes, it's working. Fine style. Yes, all the wires are put back together correctly. Man, that makes me feel great. No doubt. So you can see inside we've got a new brace to the trailer frame. We didn't have that before, so it ain't going nowhere. It's a bottom brace and as well as a side brace to the post on the trailer that holds the winch. So that gives me more reinforcement, more sturdiness for the box. Like I said, we'll be able to climb on it if we have to. It'll hold me. Get onto the front of the boat or get off the front of the boat. And the door works perfectly. And again, we want to emphasize we got stainless steel brackets, marine grade that came off of my previous boat. And we got a latch. And that's just to keep people from going in there messing with my wires or trying to steal the winch. They don't have to work for it. We know a real thief can get in there, but we're going to make it sure that it keep the honest people honest. Plus, if we decide to put some tools in there or something else related to the trailer, as you can see, we could put that in there. We got room for that as well this time. Wrap it up for the winter. That's why we made the box a little bit larger. Up. So we'll be covering up our box. Tell me what you think in the comments. We want to show you the final so far. How we come out with the final results. We got our hot wire coming out of here. And got it wrapped. Got it tied to the side. And then we got the ground wire coming around and going on out to the truck, to the hitch. And you notice we got it painted. I put 2 coats of paint on it. We got it secured, and then I took a silicone, premium 10-year silicone exterior, put on the nail heads, the screw heads rather, painted it. And from this angle, it almost looked like, for real, this is not painted, but it is. It's painted. Maybe I need to put another coat on it, because it sure ain't coming up. But you can see here on the door where I've got 2 coats of paint on it. And you can see inside, nice and dry. And again, you see the support, extra support bracket I put on this one, as well as the blue wire and the yellow wire is going out the back. That's going to the winch. Those are 2 power lines or wires that goes to the winch itself. One go on each side of the winch. Got plenty of room. Put my hands in here. I need to adjust anything. And then there's the wires again that control the winch. All right. Put my lock up here, my hatch, hats, H-A-S-P, haps. Help me, it's cold. Cold. You can see the red now. Ain't that something? Depending on the angle. But you can see the red is painted. This is painted right here. But then when I go this way, the light reflect don't look like it's painted to it. That's odd. My door closes real easy. Closes. Pull that down. Close that. Put my hatch on there. My lock. Good to go. Stainless steel brackets. They ain't gonna rust. These are marine grade. Came off another boat I had. I had some extra ones left over from another previous boat I had. So I just reused those, recycled those. And she ready to go. Good to go. So I hope you enjoyed this video and got something out of it. And like I say, this box is real sturdy. And she bracketed under the bottom. Stainless steel brackets. And she bracketed in the back. So it's not going nowhere. I can stand on it. And she won't even rock the boat. I can climb up on the front if I have to. All right. So like I say, thank you guys for watching my videos, subscribing. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. I'm sure we'll put up something that you will enjoy looking at or get some learning from or help me out with some information. It goes both ways. I help you and you help me. I keep all you guys in my prayers that we all come to the glory of God and be pleasing to Him and His Son, Jesus Christ. All right. To the next episode, keep the lines tight. Just bottom fishermen know what that means. So keep the lines tight. Keep the bait wet. For real. And enjoy life, man. Enjoy the fruits of your labor. Fishing hooker. Till we see you again. Peace.